Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another video in my Dollar Tree sticker series. So let's get started. So on this particular card, I used this really cute die and stamp set from Pink Fresh Studio. It's called Basic Banner Celebrate, and it cuts out 12 sentiments at one time. This is one giant stamp, and you stamp it all, and then the die, which is connected together, will cut out all 12 sentiments. So super awesome stamp set and die. And then I also used this let's see, die set from, I think it's, oh, here it is, Cat Scrappiness. So here is the die set, and it's called Stitch Scallop Nesting Slimline. Super cute. And for the stickers, star of the show, I used these stickers, this sticker set from Dollar Tree. It's 10 pieces. Super cute unicorn with really pretty colors. And let's check out the card. So here's the card I made. So I used the little die from Cat Scrappiness, and then of course the stickers from Dollar Tree. This paper is from my stash, and then the new set of sentiments. This is one of them from Pink Fresh Studio. Now this little image here, it did have a little saying at the bottom, but I cut that off. And then this balloon was separate, but I added it to her holding, well, not really holding, but her with this balloon, and I'm calling it her girl. And I thought the card turned out super sweet. I used some bling from my stash, and that's the card I want to share with you. Let me know what you think about it below. It's really cute, I think. So it's nice talking to you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.